Dear students, today we start the numericals on multiplication of two vectors, that is the dot product and cross product. On these two articles, we solve some numericals. The first numerical given to you, find the angle between the vectors A is equal to and B is equal to. So, how to find the angle between two vectors? You take the dot product. What is the dot product? A dot B. That is the here formula. A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos theta. Yes. You find out A dot B first, magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, and put in this formula. So first, what is the magnitude of vector A? Let us tell me. Ax square plus ay square plus az square. So, can you remember this formula? Already we have learned. And therefore here, so what is ax square? Coefficient of vector I. What is here? 1. 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square is equal to. Yes, orally. 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 4 plus 1 5. And minus 1 square. What is value of minus 1 square? Plus 1. And so what is 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Magnitude of vector A is equal to 6. Similarly, what is the magnitude of vector B? Root of bx square plus by square plus bz square. That is, tell me, here orally, magnitude of minus 1 square plus magnitude of 1 square plus magnitude of minus 2 square. So, what is that? Orally calculate. Minus 1 square 1, 1 square 1, 2 minus 2 square 4, 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is again a root 6. Then A dot B, tell me, A dot B, what is the formula? सिमिलर असतील, मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं ax bx प्लस ay by प्लस az bz बेटा. ax bx प्लस ay by प्लस az bz. You put the values. What is ax? 1 into bx minus 1 plus ay 2 by 1 plus az minus 1 into bz minus 2. Do you understand here? I coefficient x, j coefficient ay, k coefficient az. Similarly, I coefficient bx, j coefficient by, z coefficient bz. So that, what is the dot product here? 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Product, 2 into 1, 2. And minus minus plus 2. What is here? This 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1. That is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Yes, do you understand? Then, put in this formula. Cos of theta is equal to A dot B divided by A into B. What is A dot B? 3. What is magnitude of A? Root 6. Magnitude of B? Root 6. That is equal to 3 divided by 6. Root 6 into root 6, 6. That is equal to 1 by 2. that is equal to 1 by 2. Tell me, cos theta value is equal to 1 by 2 and theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to 60 degree. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2 and that is equal to 60 degree. So, solution. So, slowly you just start slowly, later on you make this problem with very fastly on practice. Okay. So, this is the solution. What is the angle? 60 degree or pi by 3 radian. Pi by 3 radian. Radian's a conversion. Do you know how is the conversion of radian? 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Therefore, 60 degree is equal to how many radian? 60 into pi divided by 180, and so that is pi by 3 radian. That is equal to pi by 3 radian. Find the dot product of two vectors. Vector A is given to you and vector B is given to you. And how the two vectors are? How the two vectors are means either the two vectors are parallel or perpendicular or anti-parallel or making an angle theta, certain angle theta that we lastly tell. So therefore, definitely you take the dot product and that is equal to here. What is given in the problem? A vector A and vector B is given, and definitely you find first vector A dot B. Tell me, what is A dot B? Formula AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Dot product of two vector, we have this formula. A dot B, AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. You put the values. Pivot angle 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 1. Do you understand here? I coefficient 1, I coefficient 2. 1 into 2. Here J coefficient 2 and here J coefficient minus 1. 2 into minus 1 plus AZ value 1 and BZ value is not given here. काहीच दिलं नाही म्हणून आपण इथं 0 ठेवायचं. And that is equal to here 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Tell me, dot product of two vector is 0. Then what we say? Dot product of two vector is 0. We say that two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other. Two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other, and that is as A dot B is equal to 0, then vector A perpendicular to vector B. Vector A, how are they vectors? These two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other. These two vectors are mutually perpendicular to each other, and hence this is the solution of this problem. The problems are very simple. Just you understood the problem and try to solve this problem. Now the next sum is find the value of lambda so that the vectors A and B are perpendicular to each other. Vector A and B are perpendicular to each other. Then if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product is 0. So that you take here vector A dot B is equal to, what is the formula? Vector A dot B is equal to, what is formula? AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Yes? Do you agree this formula? Then, if two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product is 0. So, therefore, 0 is equal to, what is here 2 and this is 4, right? Plus this is lambda and this is minus 2 plus 1 into minus 2. लक्षात येतं पहा, आयचा कोएफिशियंट 2, इथं आयचा कोएफिशियंट 4, here coefficient of j lambda whatever may be given and coefficient of j minus 2. Okay, minus 2, then coefficient of k 1, coefficient of k minus 2, and this is equal to 0 is equal to 8 minus 2 lambda and a minus 2. So 8 minus 2, 6. 0 is equal to 6 minus 2 lambda and 2 lambda is equal to 6. Lambda is equal to 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. This is one of the type of the problems. Now here in the next problem, you change these numbers. You change the numbers and find out, instead of lambda you put A, B, C, whatever the symbol, and so that you solve. Procedure is the same. Procedure is the same. Only numericals are changed. आकडे बदला. आता इथं लॅम्बडाच्या ए घ्या, बी घ्या, सी घ्या, इथं 1, 2, 3 काही घ्या तुम्ही आकडे आणि प्रॅक्टिस करत राहा, म्हणजेच प्रॉब्लेम आपल्याला विदिन टाईममध्ये सॉल्व करता येऊ शकतो. नाउ नेक्स्ट द प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 4. You read this problem number 4. If the magnitude of two vectors are, magnitude of two vectors, vector A is equal to magnitude 3, vector B is equal to magnitude 4, and their dot product means A dot B is equal to how much? 6. What is the angle? Another type of the problem, theta is to be determined. Theta is to be determined. Now you take the direct formula. Vector A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Vector A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Cos theta is equal to, tell me, cos theta is equal to vector A dot B divided by AB. Vector A dot B divided by AB. What is A dot B? 6. What is magnitude of A? 3. Magnitude of B, how much? 4. And so that 3 cancels with 6, 2, and that is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 2. Tell me, cos theta value is 1 by 2. What should be theta? Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 and theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2. Theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2 and that is equal to, what is this angle? That is equal to 60 degree or pi by 3 radian. 60 degree or pi by 3 radian. A force of F is equal to 7I plus 6K. This force, Newton, acts on a body, move on a rough plane with a velocity of, how much velocity? V is equal to 3J plus 4K. Calculate the power in watt. What power consumed in watt is to be calculated. So therefore, what is the formula here? Tell me. Power is equal to scalar quantity. Power is a scalar quantity. It is the dot product of force and velocity. Force and velocity. So what is the formula? Fx Vx plus Fy Vy plus Fz Vz. Dot product. Power is the dot product of force and velocity. You must know this. You must know this. Then you put the values. What is here? 7. Here 0. Why? this is coefficient of j, I coefficient is not given, so that you remember this is 0, and here j coefficient is not given, plus 0 into, here the coefficient of j is 3, plus, what is k coefficient? 6, here the k coefficient 4, and that is equal to here 0 plus 0 plus 24, and that is equal to 24 watt. Power is equal to 24 watt. That is the special characteristics last, that is a scalar product can be expressed in terms of dot product of two different physical quantities. That property we use here. Okay. Now next problem, you read the problem number next, 6 number problem. A constant force of F is equal to 2I plus 3J plus 4K force, and this is in Newton unit, and produce a displacement. When force is applied on a body, produces displacement, and that is S displacement is equal to 3I plus 2J and plus 3K, that is equal to here 3K. Okay, then this is in meter. Okay, then work done. What is the work done? Work done is the dot product of force and displacement. पहा बेटा इथं F dot S, work done is equal to force into displacement, that is also given to you, and that is Fx Sx plus Fy Sy plus Fz Sz, and that is equal to here 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2, लक्षात येतं का पहा, 2 into 3, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Do you understand here? Component, product of similar component Fx Sx, Fy Sy, Fz Sz, you put here, and that is 3 into 2 6 plus 6 plus 12. So what is here? This is 12 plus 12, and that is equal to 24 joule of work. 24 joule of work. This is quite simple problem, so that the problems are very, very interesting, and that generates the energy, spirit, and so that problems are the play game of फॉर्म्युले. फॉर्म्युल्यांचा खेळ म्हणजे प्रॉब्लेम आहे, आणि तो खेळता आला पाहिजे. काही नाही, फक्त असं नीट लक्ष देऊन. म्हणून लक्षात ठेवा, प्रॉब्लेम फारच मस्त इंटरेस्टिंग आवड निर्माण करतात, आणि प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करत गेले सगळी झोप निघून जाईल तुमची. असे वेगवेगळे प्रॉब्लेम्स तुम्ही सॉल्व करत राहा बेटा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम हियर 7. डिटरमाइन द अँगल विच द व्हेक्टर A makes with x, y and z axis. Makes with x, y and z axis. So therefore here, for example, you take in a plane, this is x axis and this is y axis. Okay, and your vector A. This vector A is given in which plane? That is in a Ix and z axis. You may take x and you may take z axis. So that is I, and here this is k, and this is your vector 5I plus 5k. Okay, it makes an angle theta with the x axis, and we have taken alpha this angle. So what is the tan of alpha? tan of alpha is equal to ay, tan of alpha is equal to ay upon ax, ay upon ax, and that is equal to here in 3-dimensional coordinate, each and every axis that is to be asked. Each and every axis that is to be asked, this means that direction cosines. What is the direction cosine? Cos of alpha is equal to ax upon ax upon a, that is cos, that is equal to cos alpha. What is here? Cos alpha is equal to ax upon a. What is ax? Coefficient of x-axis. And what is a? First find magnitude of vector a. Ax square plus ay square plus az square. That is equal to, what is ax? 5 square plus 0 square plus 5 square is equal to 25 plus 25, and that is equal to here 25 into 2, and that is 5 root 2. 5 root 2. And therefore, what is ax? 5 divided by 5 root 2. This gets cancelled, 1 upon root 2. Cos alpha value is 1 upon root 2. What is the value of alpha? Alpha is equal to cos inverse of 1 upon root 2. सांगा बेटा, 45 degree ना, that is equal to 45 degree. Cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Similarly, cos beta is equal to, tell me, ay upon a. What is ay? Y component is not given. Divided by 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Cos beta value is equal to 0. Beta is equal to cos inverse of 0, and that is equal to 90 degree. Cos 90 value is 0. And similarly, cos gamma is equal to, what is that? Az divided by a. 5 divided by 5 root 2, a ची किंमत बेटा, that is 1 upon root 2 is equal to, cos gamma is equal to 1 upon root 2. Therefore, gamma is equal to cos inverse of 1 upon root 2. किती येते रे वेळेला? किती येते व्हॅल्यू? 45 degree. That is equal to 45 degree. So, such type of, another type of the problem what we learned here. Now the next problem number 8. If unit vectors A, unit vector means magnitude 1, that is magnitude of unit vector A is equal to magnitude of unit vector B is equal to 1. Unit vector, unit magnitude are inclined at an angle theta. Are inclined at an angle theta means this vector A and this vector B inclined at angle theta. Okay, understood? Then prove that A minus B is equal to 2 sin theta by 2. That is the important. So this problem was asked in the previous exam. So what is here? Vector A minus vector B whole square, magnitude of vector A minus B whole square is equal to, here vector A minus B dot vector A minus B dot. A minus B dot. हे लक्षात आहे का बेटा? A minus B magnitude, magnitude of A minus B चा होल स्क्वेअर बरोबर आहे एका ब्रॅकेट A मायनस बी, दुसऱ्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये A मायनस बी. आता सॉल्व करा. ही वेक्टर A डॉट वेक्टर A मायनस बी मायनस वेक्टर B डॉट वेक्टर ए मायनस वेक्टर बी. आलं का लक्षात? हा पहिला वेक्टर पूर्ण डॉट ब्रॅकेट, हा दुसरा वेक्टर डॉट पूर्ण ब्रॅकेट, राईट. पाहता पुढे ए डॉट ए, वेक्टर ए डॉट ए मायनस वेक्टर ए डॉट बी, मायनस वेक्टर बी डॉट ए आणि मायनस मायनस प्लस वेक्टर बी डॉट बी, बी डॉट बी. ए स्क्वेअर मायनस 2ab कॉस थीटा प्लस बी स्क्वेअर, प्लस बी स्क्वेअर. मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर एचं 1 मायनस 2 इंटू 1 इंटू 1 कॉस थीटा प्लस 1, दॅट इज 2 मायनस 2 कॉस थीटा. मी 2 कॉमन काढतो, 1 मायनस कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू वेक्टर ए मायनस बीचा स्क्वेअर. आणि एक ट्रिगोनॉमेट्री इथं महत्त्वाची लक्षात असली पाहिजे, दॅट इज 2 इंटू 1 मायनस कॉस थीटा 2 साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा बाय 2 हा फॉर्म्युला आहे. ट्रिगोनॉमेट्रीचा फॉर्म्युला 1 मायनस कॉस थीटा 2 साइन स्क्वेअर थीटा बाय 2. अँड देअरफॉर that is one of the formula, do you understand here? That is vector a minus b, magnitude of vector a minus b square is equal to 4 sin square theta by 2. Since what we take here, since 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. This is the formula. And taking square root on both the side, vector a minus b is equal to काय येतं 2 sin theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2, what we prove there. So this is the proof here. The quite simple problem here, theoretical problem. अशा टाईपच्या प्रॉब्लेमला theoretical म्हणतात आणि हा प्रॉब्लेम आपण अशा पद्धतीनं सॉल्व करू शकतो. आलं लक्षामध्ये? सो दॅट we solve this problem here.